Good morning again. This is Sam, South Carolina. Happy Bees. We're going to be checking this little nuke here. It's a little three-framer, and we're going to see what they're up to. I don't know what they're up to. Oh, that'll be a drone layer. And if it is, we'll take care of that. We were giving them a chance to see if the queen would come back. This one has nectar. This one here has nectar. A few queen cells. I mean, not queen cells, drone cells. That's them. But we're giving them an extra week or so to see if the queen would come back. If she hasn't, then we'll just mix them with another hive. Has nectar, has a queen cell. It has workable larvae. So we're going to leave them alone a little bit longer. It has some unhatched brood. Here's a little queen cell. I don't know if it's any good or not. Down here we have some drone cells. We have some worker brood in here. So we're just going to leave them alone. I don't think that queen cell is any good, but it may be. That's them. This is a 2-frame, not a 3-frame. We're going to put them back in there. It has drone layer. That was on 6/11. We'll give them a little bit more time. This one over here I think is a dead hive. I don't even know if y'all can see this one. But this thing here, it shows you that all your nukes aren't going to work. Ain't going to work. That's just a super frame. Some of the queens will come back, some of them don't. This time of the year, we don't have as many. This one here has some pollen and a couple of bees on it. We may just take these frames out here, put them in the freezer. I'm looking for a queen or something. Eggs. I don't see no queen, I don't see any eggs. But that's them. So these bees have been shaking out here. Nothing really here. So what we can do is we can take an egg or something and put in this, or a frame of eggs. Shake some more bees in there with them. Spray them down with sugar water and vanilla extract. A couple of drops of vanilla extract in the spray bottle is all it needs. 1-to-1 sugar syrup. Spray them down, and then they'll all be friends. But right now we're not gonna do much. We're just gonna keep this upside down. We're gonna take this one and turn it upside down, and that means that we have a situation of some sort. But that's that. But if your nukes aren't making queen cells, or if the queen doesn't come back, it's got nothing to do with you. It's got something to do with the weather. No beetles. I mean, no drones. You didn't see any drones in there. But y'all have a wonderful day. Give us a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you think about this and what you think I should do. And we appreciate all the comments and the thumbs up, and the people that's watching, and the subscribers. We appreciate all of it. Y'all have a wonderful day.